own right, freedom. So I would say no punishment for the cartoons publisher newspaper here in Denmark. So I would say no punishment for the cartoons publisher newspaper here in Denmark. So I would say no punishment for the cartoons publisher newspaper here in Denmark.
So what about in Pakistan? The question
to
you is, if she is found guilty, or if anybody is found guilty of blasphemy, should they, according to your opinion, be punished with capital punishment?
I will go again to the answer. If caricatures or cartoons are published in Danish newspaper, we have no right to enforce our kind of laws on the Danish society. In the same way, Danish society should learn to respect the laws of other parliaments. Danish newspapers should learn to respect the democracies. Let them make their own laws, and if there is any fault, let's go for a dialogue. Let's discuss in a democratic way instead of interfering with each other's laws. So Pakistan has no right to interfere with Danish laws and Danish law of freedom of speech and expression. In the same way, the Danish newspaper society should have no right to interfere with the Pakistani laws. Our collective platform can be a UNO. We can have a democratic dialogue with the governments, with the parliaments. We can have an exchange of views. But laws of one country are not going to be enforced in other countries. And I am not in favor of interfering with one another laws in the country. I am total Democrat. I believe in democracy. I believe in freedom of choice.
Dr. Khatri, thank you very much for your time. It was a pleasure talking to you.